A quick reminder video for all the new guys who haven't seen me do this before or gone back to my videos. So this is NYLOG. It's a thick refrigerant oil. Think of it as that. And of course, Apple doesn't want to focus. There we go. And I already put some on here, but I'll do it again just to show you. It goes on the outside perimeter, right around there. And let me zoom in on that to get a real good shot of that. It goes right on the outside, just a little bit. This will help extend the life of your vacuum seals that are inside, and pressure seals that are inside your gauges. If you look inside there, there's a rubber seal. And NYLOG, if you have a decent seal or even slightly imperfections, when you put this over that, it slips over that and lubricates. And because it is refrigerant oil, you don't have to worry about contamination. And also, when you're trying to pull a deep vacuum cannot pull through that fluid. So it will ensure that you don't have vacuum leaks at your O-ring inside there from being damaged. That's all. Quick tip, NYLOG, available at TruTech Tools.